Here we got a 1929 Ford Coupe, Chevy small block. You know what I like? You know what? It's interesting that I never thought that someone to do this. It's like paint the whole block and the intake, the other block intake, yellow, and it just with the black valve covers and the black air cleaner and stuff, and that big thermal spacer on the bottom. Boy, you wouldn't be able to put that under the hood of a modern car. No way. Thermal spacer. Guess you shouldn't have a problem with vapor lock with that thing. But you know, it's a cool thing. I mean, just to do the yellow, the whole block in yellow like that with the black. The car's yellow and black as it is. Black roof. POWMIA. Wings. Disc brakes up front. Yellow Dog Racing. And it looks like a trick race automatic transmission in there. 160 mile an hour speedometer. Full fenders in the back here anyway. And the front. So that's street legal up a lot of other states where they gig on the fenders. Moon equipped. He's got a gas pedal. It looks like a brake pedal. It's not a. You look at it in here, you almost think that's a brake and clutch pedal. It's a gas pedal though. Believe. Yeah. Yeah, that's what kind of trans you got in here?
Sorry?
What kind of trans? That's turbo 400 or something?
That's turbo 350.
350?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm looking at your gas pedal. I said, whoa, that's interesting. It's like the brake pedal. It's interesting.
Yeah, odd enough, Henry Ford's pretty smart, but the hydraulic reservoir is right under the floor.
Really?
Yeah, so to open it up, that's why it tears. I can get to it to refill it. Yeah, that's the way it was. I go, that's stupid.
Well, Ford has it better. We used to curse him out sometimes back.
Let me tell you something about
Ford
Henry Ford.
has a better idea.
The guy's really smart, Henry Ford.
Yeah.
So I buy this car, it's in pieces, I'm putting it together, and I built this motor. It's a 327, 365 horse.
Oh, 327.
365 horse solid lifter cam.
Oh.
So I built it, and I go, okay, here's this.
Small journal?
High performance engine, 10 gallons of gas, and me.
Yeah.
No, we're not going to do that. So I took the rumble seat out. I'm going to move the gas tank everything to the back.
Yeah.
Here now.
Uh-huh.
Move the gas tank and the battery back here.
Oh, wow. Is that a small journal 327?
Yep.
The better one, huh? The good ones. Yeah.
If you know anything about Chevrolet, you can look at the heads and the double hump heads.
Yeah. This is what they always did. This is the shit they used to do all the time, man.
So here's Henry Ford. Again about the gas tank. Now, okay, I can live with that. This door right here.
Yeah.
This is the way it's supposed to close.
Really?
28, 29, 30, and 31.
Really?
All they did was put a weather strip around the door. It took him until 32 to put a reveal right here. We put the door out and I go, come on, you got all car, you can't figure out how to close a freaking door. Are you crazy? But yeah, that's actually how it's done.
Really?
You find any other 28, 29, 30, 31, they're all the same way.
Well, you know why? The weather stays out of it better because the air is going this way. At least you didn't have it where it goes in, you know. 327 small journal, chop 2 inches.
This is the channel 2 inches, chop 4 inches.
Chop 4 inches, channel 2 inches. Body's dropped down on drop down on the frame. Of course, in the off-roading world, they do the opposite. They lift the body.
Yep.
Then they got to raise the bumper up.
and this is from the factory.
That's from the factory too.
And it serves no purpose.
Yeah.
It's not a moon roof. It doesn't go through. And you'll find other cars out here the same year.
I know.
Oh, did you? It's just there. It's just there.
I know.